Guys, there is this new strategy that both old and new YouTubers are using to monetize and grow their channel very fast. Okay, believe me, when I told you is working like magic. Do you know you can literally have a conversation with Chatgpt as if you're having a conversation with a YouTube coach? You can take Chatgpt as your YouTube growth strategies. It's just like you sharing your problem with someone. But this time around, you are not sharing your problem with anyone. Rather, you are sharing your channel problem with Chatgpt. Part about it that it can work for any niche. Any niche you are into, it can work for it. It doesn't matter what niche you are into. If you apply this strategy very well, it's going to work well for you, just the same way it is working for me. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing my face, thank you very much. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you as well. My name is Confidence. So in this channel, I talk about how to make money online, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to monetize your channel, and how to make money both online and offline. So if it's something you're interested about, do well to like, share, subscribe, and lastly, give me a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to take you on step-by-step guide on what you need to do, or should I call it strategy you need to apply to monetize your channel within few weeks. So if it sounds something interesting, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and lastly give me a thumbs up. Without wasting much of your time, let's all move to the practical aspect of this video. So the first thing you have to do is to open your YouTube Studio dashboard. Go straight to your customization. Under my channel customization, I will scroll down and I'll scroll down. I'll see this description. Now after deleting everything, you have your description. You now start to apply this strategy, even though it's not part of the strategy, but we can count it as strategy because it's going to help us, help our viewers to actually understand what our channel is all about. All right, so I will open ChatGPT right here, and what I am going to do is to type this in the search bar. Okay, I have a YouTube channel called Queen Coffee TV. You can actually include your channel name instead of my channel name. And on the channel, I teach about YouTube growth. So here, you actually explain your niche. Whatever your niche is all about, you have to explain it here. You explain the kind of videos you create on your channel. Now, and after explaining your niche, you tell ChatGPT, write an SEO well-optimized channel description for my channel. I want a description that will help my channel get discovered on search. So after writing that, you now click on what? Search. Let it begin to search for you. Then ChatGPT will start generating it for you. You see the description that will be given to me. I'll copy it and go to my channel description and then paste it there. In case if your own have hashtag, make sure you delete hashtag because I don't encourage hashtag in the channel description, but mine did not have any hashtag. I'll just copy the way it is and go back to my channel dashboard and then paste it there. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and delete all these ones. I'm done deleting what I have in my description. I'll go ahead and paste the new one that the ChatGPT generated for me. Go ahead and paste it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to my setting, come back to your channel, and make sure you turn the country of your residence. You can decide to write your country as in Nigeria, or because me I'm in Nigeria, or any place you're targeting your audience, you can go there, you can write that particular country. Then you come to your keyword. For this keyword, you go back to ChatGPT. So for the keyword, I will ask ChatGPT to write the best channel tags for my channel in a copy and paste format with 500 characters. In the tags, include the names of big channels that make the same niche as I do. Now, as you can see it, I've already written it. What I will do, yes, I'll tell ChatGPT to generate it for me. ChatGPT has generated it for me. The tags in a copy and paste format. This is 499 carat optimized YouTube file carat with comma in all of them. I'll just copy the tag and go back to my YouTube studio and paste it. So I'll come back here and paste it. Now move to advanced setting. Make sure you say that this video is not made for kids. And now come to feature eligibility. Your feature eligibility, you have to make sure that all these 3 features here is enabled. Enable your standard features, your immediate features, and your advanced features. Make sure all of them are enabled. So I'll go to upload default. And now move to my advanced settings. And I'll make sure I allow automatic dubbing. Automatic dubbing is, even if you upload your video in English, YouTube will automatically translate your English to any language in the whole world. Anybody that want to watch your video, so far you turn on your automatic dubbing, that your video will automatically be switched to that particular language, and the person will be watching you speaking exactly the language that he or she can understand. Automatic dubbing is available for every channel, whether you are monetized or not. Automatic, it will help people to watch your videos in different languages. Example, if you upload a video where you are speaking English, if your video is shown to someone in Spanish, your video is going to be dubbed into Spanish, that is translated into Spanish. That is the meaning of auto dub. So the person watching you will see you speaking in Spanish, which means the video has been translated to viewers' language. So when you're done with all these things, you click on save, so that your channel is now going to grow. So we're now going to start the strategy that you're going to use and monetize your YouTube channel within few weeks of applying this particular method. Now we are going to begin the strategy using ChatGPT. All you need to be successful on YouTube is to get viral videos, and this is what I am going to actually show you. What I'm going to do first is to ask ChatGPT to give me a video idea for my channel. Now, have you ever reached a place and feel like you are out of content, like you don't know what to create about, you don't know what to talk about? This is exactly what you need. Now, after ChatGPT generates for you, you need to be more specific. And this is what you're going to do, okay? So you are going to ask ChatGPT to suggest a simple and highly searched video idea for my channel. That is our first strategy. Please suggest simple and highly. So ChatGPT will begin to generate it for me, and this is what ChatGPT has written. How to get 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube in 2025. Many small creators search this daily. How to get 4,000 hours watched and quickly. 5 mistakes YouTubers must avoid in 2025. How to make YouTube short go viral step by step. You see, and this is the first strategy. Now, the next thing you're going to do, ask ChatGPT to write short and catchy YouTube intro for this video. That is introduction. What you're going to do is write short and catchy YouTube intro for this video. Please write short and catchy YouTube intro for this video. You see your channel is about YouTube growth. Your intro should be short, catchy, and hook viewers right away. 10 to 12 seconds. You see that?
I will still come back and tell Chatgpt to write a step-by-step YouTube video script, and it's going to definitely do you. YouTube scripts. Write step-by-step YouTube video scripts. Do you see? It did not just end there. I'll still go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give me clickable titles for this particular video. What I like about ChatGPT is before it gives you the title, it will search for keywords that people are searching for in YouTube. It will still go ahead and tell ChatGPT to give you clickable title. You see it? It have automatically generated it for me. So another thing I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT. I'll still go ahead and tell ChatGPT to give me 3 short and catchy thumbnail captions. Remember, thumbnail and title are so important on your video because that is what viewers see first before they click on your video. Please write 3 short and catchy thumbnail. 3 short and catchy thumbnails. 3 short and catchy thumbnails. Thumbnail captions. Do you see? More souls now, grow quickly, 1K fast. So everything we need has been provided to us by Chatgpt. Remember, thumbnail and title are so important on your video because that is what viewers see first before they click on your video. Now we have succeeded in creating a content that is trending in your niche that audience are going to watch. The people that watch that particular niche you make are going to get interested in watching that video, and when they watch, YouTube algorithm is going to keep on recommending your content because the YouTube algorithm only wants a creator that keeps viewers watching. If you made it to this point, believe me, this strategy works like magic. Make sure you try it and come back and thank me later.
So if you made it to this point, congratulations to you, and make sure you follow the exact steps I've teach you in this video. After doing it, you are going to come back and thank me later. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you do not understand anything, feel free to ask me questions on the comment section. Bye bye and see you in my next video.